I always have jam sessions in the car, wherever I'm going. It keeps the mental at a positive state, at least for me anyways. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you tuning in for the first time, welcome to the Rodrigo Pavoa Show. Today I want to talk about the 3 things new agents need to make sure that they do before their renewal, before their first year, so that way you don't get in trouble with the real estate commission. And these things could vary depending on which state you're in, but if you're in Georgia, I know you have to do these things. Let's get into the video, guys. Yes, that's right. If you're wondering, I did change jackets. And the reason why I changed jackets is because it started raining, because in Georgia, well, the weather is far from predictable. Now, if we're gonna get into the 3 most important things that you need to do your first year in real estate, it's very simple. The first thing is that you have to take your post-license education. It's a 25-hour class that you take with a certified instructor that's been approved by the real estate commission. You get 9 hours of continuing education credit too towards that, and it's either free or like $90. It's really not that bad. Just make sure you do it, because if you don't, in the first 12 months, the real estate commission will lapse your license, and then there's a bunch of other fees, and you have to explain why, and then, I mean, it's just a headache. Just get it done. Besides, it's the best time to do it in the beginning before your business starts growing and you start getting super busy, and then you don't have time for anything else. So might as well go do it in the beginning. The second thing you want to make sure you do is actually, and I kind of touched on this when we were talking about post-license education class, you have to do continuing education, because you want to stay up to date on all the new laws and practices that the real estate commission abides by, because at the end of the day, you're the professional and you are representing your clients. Now, in the state of Georgia, it's 36 hours every 4 years. And last but not least, the third thing you need to make sure you do and complete is your code of ethics class in the first 12 months. This is just one of the other requirements that I can't believe is even a thing. But after being in real estate for the short amount of time that I've been in, it doesn't surprise me. I mean, there are things that people do and say that I'm just like, how long have you had your license? Did you forget that this is something that we're not supposed to be doing? For all of those of you in real estate or interested in getting in real estate, just make sure you're aware and you do your research so that you can stay in line, be the professional that you are and you signed up to be, so that you can better treat your clients. With that being said, guys, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. If you can go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment down below, or hit the subscribe button, because I drop new videos every single Monday at 6 p.m. and they're dope. You don't want to miss out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.